I wanted to look at 10, question 10,
This
but
one.
that's basically just using that rules again.
Yes, this is using that rule that you had, that you just emailed.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Okay, which rule would you use? Let me open it again.
Okay.
Which rule would you use?
Okay, so for log, when you, the quotient rule.
Yes. Okay, why are you using quotient? Because of the minus. Do you see that?
Yes.
There's the minus.
Yep.
100%. That's exactly what you're using. Okay, then you've just got to apply it correctly. Just remember though, when you have a 3 or a 2, okay, you need to write it as an exponent. So let me just show you what I mean. There. Okay, 5x to the power 3, x to the power 2. Okay, when you have that 3 and the 2
Okay.
outside, you have to write it like that. So see, there's the quotient rule being applied.
Okay.
From this, I get to that using that
So
rule.
that moving it around, that's the power rule, eh?
Sorry, say that again. Moving what around?
The exponent that you the in front of the len that you made the exponent, that's the
Oh,
power rule.
oh, you're saying moving the 3 into that.
Yes.
Well, it's not quite the power rule, but it's just part of the arithmetic. Okay, because when you
Okay.
have a log is basically how can I say? It's an expression for an exponent, basically.
Okay. But
Yeah.
go back to that other diagram again for rules. Then
Oh, okay. I see
click
what
the
you
third
mean.
one
You're
there.
referring to
Yeah.
this.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I see they call it a power rule. Yeah, I don't remember it as that. But when I think power rule, I'm
Okay.
thinking about derivatives, and that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you're right. If you're
Okay.
applying what we just said here, you're using that. That's correct. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, I
Okay.
didn't see that one.
Okay. Yeah. So okay. So then in terms of that answer, so okay, then you'll move them to the exponents, and then you can use the quotient rule, and you can basically make it 1. Okay, and then equals 7.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
then
Because
5.
remember, you had 5x to the power 3 over
Yep.
x squared. Okay, if I apply the quotient rule and the power rule,
Yep.
okay, then I've got this little bit here equal to 7.
Yep.
Okay, then what do I do? I cancel. Then I've got ln 5x equals 7. Then what do I do when I have that? I write down
Just
this
a normal
equation.
log. Yep. Yep. It's 8. Yeah. Log is a power.
Okay, then obviously I just have to apply it because this, if it's ln,
Yep.
it'll be log e. Does it make
Log E.
sense?
Yes. Yep.
Okay, and then I'm just applying that here. There. Okay, so ln 5x. Okay, so log e. Okay, so in other words, log e 5x equals 7. Okay, log e 5x equals 7. Okay, if I'm writing it in this format, okay, obviously 5x is the answer. So I have 5x equal to e to the power 7. That's how I got that. Okay, there's it there. See? From ln 5x equals 7 to log e 5x equals 7. Do you see that?
Yes.
And then I'm applying what I had here. 2 to the 3 equals 8. Log 2 to the 8 equals 3. And then I'm just writing down this. I'm writing it down in this format. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm taking this and I'm writing it down in that format. Okay, so log 2. Okay, the 2 here is the base there. Do you see that?
Yes.
So what is the 2 here? It's the e. Then I write down the e. Do you
E.
see that?
Yes. Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
what is my 3 here? My 3 here is the answer. Do you see that?
Yep.
What
Yep.
is my 3 here? It's the 7.
7.
Okay, the 8 here is this. Do you see that?
Yep.
So here, the 5x is the 8. Do you see that?
Yeah.
That's how I get that.
Okay.
Okay, and then once I've got that, obviously you can solve for x. E to the 7 divided by 5. that you can plug into your calculator. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm literally just taking what I have here and I'm applying it to this scenario. Okay, basically you've got this and then you've got that, and you're writing this format in that format. Does it make sense?
Yep.
Okay. All right, good. Other questions?